to be showing and making sure for ourselves and for the communities we're working with that our presence and our shared experiences, for the good of all.
Making that positive impact. That's what the United Nations did in that study they did of us. And they interviewed everyone in the community. Asked them, how much money did you make? And what did you do with that money? You should see the beautiful things. One grandmother sent her child to college. One lady bought a truck. The 32 women bought a piece of land to build their communal kitchen on. They're empowering themselves. They're not sitting on the porch watching soap operas anymore. They're not. So what did you do with your time before? I didn't do anything. I sat on my porch. What do you do now? I get up, I go with the ladies, I plant, I share recipes, I have breakfast with everyone, I'm home by noon, I'm energized. I lost 25 pounds. I don't eat chicharrones anymore because now I go outside and eat my lettuce that I'm growing to go to the farmer's market, because now I realize I have power in these hands, and if I do use them, I'll make some money. And they need money because the poverty is what the big people want, because that's how they take advantage. Someone told me, Jenny, don't do that. Have the soft basketball hands. I'm like, sometimes I just want to, because I'm so trying to transform the snake, molt that skin that says bigger's better, quantity's better, and quality and people don't matter. It's not just about the tree, it's about the community. Common unity.